So I got myself a new CD drive. This is the Audio Analog. It's the AAdrive, and it comes with a hefty remote control. This is quite a piece of a remote control. This is for my project. Just for comparison, take an Apple mouse here. Then you'll be able to see how big it is. It is tremendously big. So yeah, it can be run over by a truck, I guess. Okay, and it's made of aluminium, solid aluminium. So that's quite nice. So that's the remote for the baby. Let's put some power on the buttons. You see that afterwards are here below. So we'll spin up and I will ask it to open. It's still reading the disk. Okay, open. Here, the part here is also physically aluminium. Okay, now it didn't see what I want to show you, but this is based on the tech drive. The famous tech drive with the clamp. I believe everybody will see that this is nice. Notice when it goes in, it will push up, and then we go up against the clamps here, so to reduce vibrations. This is just a transport. The display, I'm not that happy about. It's not. It could be nice if it was able to make it less bright. Maybe there's a way to do that. This is the eye for remote control. The control buttons are below here. I have just shut it down. I have unscrewed the screws here, so we can open it in a second. It has a balanced output for digital and a coax output, power input, and a breaker. That's that to it. So let's have a look inside it. See how it looks. Let's find a good angle here. Put some extra light into it. This is a version 1.6. I've seen there's a lot of elderly versions out there. Black PCB port. I guess this is the relay for the input. Yeah, or for the standby maybe. Then there are two transformers. One is said to be for the drive and one for the digital part. So they are apart. You can see here it's 110, 115, 150. So it can be rewired to a 115 volt version without replacing the trafos. Looking at this, let's put some power on it again. And yeah, there are two LEDs inside the drive, so that you get light up through the front window here, to that window. Let's see if we can have a closer look at the drive, how it goes in and out. Okay. Yeah, it's not that clear, but this is quite a block of aluminium here that makes everything. So if we look very close, you can see the label on the drive down there. It says CD 5020B. So, and it's from January 2022, so it's a relatively new drive. I just turn it off again here. Stop. Go to sleep. Stand by. Okay. Let's So it's off. Good. What else do we see in here? So I guess the control of the drive is auto this, and then these will be the output. I don't see anything here that indicating an extra clock frequency thingy for the output. I compared this to my old tech, and I'm happy with it. Then something here I'm not happy with. This like a spin. Somebody fooling around here. You can see there's like rests of salt or something here to some of the components. Might not have anything in it, but yeah. Then I have unscrewed the button plates, and so because you can, for servicing, which I find quite nice, you can take off the screws here. If you're gonna need to make service to it, or do whatever you want to do with it, then you can take the side off, and then suddenly the drive is completely and here, okay, this is standing on a massive aluminium base. Okay, let's flip it over. I haven't shown you the button anyway, so if you look at the button, you can see here it has some this is aluminium, and then there is rubber construction. It's a solid rubber construction here, what makes it very solid. And here the buttons for the control. And yeah, you can see I should able to take off the other side, and then I'll more or less be able to completely open this up to be able to do whatever I want to do. Then it's off, and the front then also goes off. So that makes it easy to service and take the whole complete drive out if it's ever would be needed. As I said, it's based on two massive amount of aluminium parts here. So and it's you know, it's really solid. You should expect something like a drive in that price range. So I'm happy. That's my new CD, the audio analog with the monster brake control to it. So I hope you can use it for something. This gives you an aside how it looks inside. Oh, this is not. You're not allowed to make loops on the wiring for electrum. Okay, I might be doing something here. This is a stupid thing. Okay, because having that way you make a loop. This way it's not a loop anymore. You know, you have like a current on the other way. So this is okay. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will assemble this baby again.